This hair is definitely giving like 90s high school girl. Anyway, they are having a car show in the neighborhood. They're still setting up, but we're just checking it out on our after dinner stroll, and aka trying to make sure that your toddler is tired so that they go to sleep pretty seamlessly. This girl got me riding the escalator again. Can you say hi, Harry? Say I'm going up. What are we doing, Harry? Huh?
Dada.
We waiting on Dada. Where's Dada? It is.
Dada.
It is Dada.
No.
Well, you can't go down.
This.
Yeah, I see your shoes.
This.
Yeah, shoes.
This.
This guy from this little honey booth just gave her some honey. I'm like about to try this gelato spot. Usually we get frozen yogurt, but I'm gonna come in here and get a little something for our walk back home. Hello. We tried all these flavors. More? Okay, we're about to give you some. What do you think? What you think? Does it look good? This is pretty good. Nuri, is it good? Okay. What do you think? What would you rate it? Okay, miss. Okay. All right, it is so amazing. I actually had like 30 minutes while Nuri was still asleep this morning, and I wrote our packing list since we're going to be traveling in a couple weeks. Well, a couple days actually. And I just set up 2 very, very simple invitations to play. So when she comes out here in the living room, she has some stuff that she can engage in. If she's interested, she could choose whatever she wants, but I usually try to set up 1 or 2 things. Again, these things are super, super quick. Like, I don't spend more than like a minute setting up her activity. Oh, my hair. I'm also just trying to test out a few really low prep things to see what she's gonna like for the flight, because we're flying for 17 hours and it's just gonna be she and I. So I want to just continue to give her opportunities to explore and engage in stuff that she's actually interested in. All right, you hear the alphabet song playing in the background because it is a request, okay? So today we're going to go to... Okay, so today we're going to go to Bellagio Mall, and they have a Winter Wonderland. Nuri. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Peekaboo. Okay, so we're gonna go to Bellagio Mall. And they have a huge ice skating rink. We actually haven't been to this mall, and it's relatively close to our home. But I was told that they have this really extravagant winter wonderland kind of set up. So it's gonna be her first kind of introduction to, I guess, winter, Christmas, or whatever. So excited. But first, nap time. So she over here trying to play peekaboo with her daddy. She about to go to sleep, whether she wants to or not. Hello. Ah! If I don't. Okay, we made it to the mall. Mary. Hi. You sleepy? We just got here. This mall is really incredible. It's crazy. We've been here over a year and have yet to come here because it's like 30 minutes from the house. So. Okay, what do you think about the camels with the Santa hats on? No?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't open right here. You have to go around. Yeah, you have to go around. Yeah. The lights are the most interesting. What? I can't open right there. That's not where it opens. You have to go around. Yes, you go around to open. Right there. All right, we are actually just about to go to PF Chang's. We ain't been in a minute, so I'm excited.
Scoot over, let that in. Go.
Huh? Get down?
Yeah.
Get down? Okay.
Where you going?
Where are you going?
Where you
Yeah.
going? Huh?
You want to sit in your chair? Oh,
You
you
gonna sit in your
oh,
chair?
you want to sit in Nuri's chair.
All right, let's sit in your chair. Come on.
Once you get seated, you can see what you want to eat. Order. Look at the menu.
Right.
Big girl. Ooh. Seatbelt. Oh no, I don't see a seatbelt, Nuri. She's really looking for the seatbelt. Nuri. It is a seatbelt? I don't think so. It's no seatbelt. No seatbelt. Here, you want to look at the menu and see what you want to eat? She sees some balloons over there. It's got her excited. Tic-tac-toe? Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, it's my turn? Okay, my turn. Okay. I'm gonna go here. Okay. You want to taste? You want mommy to taste it first? It's orange juice. Yeah. The noodles are coming. I have to cook them. Okay. What do you need? What do you need? Open, please. Okay. That's Bang Bang shrimp. I mean, they call it dynamite shrimp, right? Oh, Nuri, that looks so good. Ready to eat it? Does it look good, Nuri? Does your food look good? Nuri. Why is this girl doing yoga in the elevator?